day. Today is starting week 2 of Shoes Brews Reviews. The first beer we're going to talk about today is St. Archer Gold. St. Archer originated in San Diego. They were bought by Molson Coors in 2015. St. Archer Gold is supposedly a Helles type lager at 95 calories, 2.6 grams of carbs, and a 4.2 ABV. So again, this is kind of their answer to like a Mich Ultra or something like that. Lagers, as you know, we talked about last week, supposed to be kind of, just means that they aged it at low temperature, so cold aged. These are supposed to be slightly sweet beer, not real hoppy. Should be light colored and low in bitterness. So kind of, like I said, it's supposed to be representative of that type of beer. So one thing we're going to talk about today is, in addition to the taste and the aroma and so on, is does it really represent the type of beer it's supposed to be? So we'll talk about that too. Noble hops are supposedly used in this, and these are hops that are used mostly for aroma. When you have hops, you have two types that you use for aroma, like that gives you that, like I said, that herbal smell, and then also for bittering. In Germany, which is where all noble hops are grown, there's a law, a German purity, a beer law, that it's called the Reinheitsgebot. Basically, it means it specifies the ingredients that are allowed to be in beer, which in Germany is pretty straightforward. It's hops, barley, and water. That's it. So these noble hops are supposedly used mostly for, like I said, aroma. So there's a little history today. So we'll go ahead and bust this open and see what we got. So. And it looks like pretty light. Okay. Well, it is clear, so hits one of the categories. It's light colored, so give it a taste. Yeah, it's not really a lot of hoppy smell to it. It's kind of sweet, like almost like a bread smell. Well, yeah, it's what it says it is. Pretty straightforward. Not really anything distinguishing to talk about on this. Tastes like a regular beer. So yeah, but again, for the calories and so on, it's not so bad. I don't know if I would keep this one in the fridge or not. I've had several that are, of the light lagers and low calorie beers that are way more, in my taste range. This one is, it's nothing to write home about. I give it a 3 on the aroma because, like I said, it smells like a lager is supposed to. Hits the color. Bitterness, again, there isn't really hardly any. It's got kind of a it's not really bitter, but as much as it is kind of malty type taste. So I'm going to give it a 2 for bitterness, and then the taste, it's okay. I mean, like I said, it's not anything to write home about. So I give it a 2 for taste, which gives us let's see, a total of 10 points. So 10 out of 20. So again, not for me, not a keeper. But if you're just looking to pound some beers, I mean, this would probably do the trick. Is it a light lager? Sure. I mean, it represents what it's supposed to do. So, overall, like I said, not too exciting. This one is, it's pretty bland. So, St. Archer Gold. That's all I got.